I don't want to sleep with you. I don't need your passion too. I don't want a stormy affair. Make me feel my life is heading somewhere. All I want is the comfort and care. Just to know that my woman gives me sweet mother love.